Looking into the time domain representation of your signal using an oscilloscope may not reveal the full information of your signal, and most of the engineers again go to the spectrum analyzers to see the frequency content of your signal. This is true when there are some noise that is present in your time domain waveform, but you need to understand what causes that noise, what are the frequency components or any modulations is present in your signal that is creating this behavior in time domain. Hi, this is Neetu. Today I'm going to show you how to do the spectrum analysis using oscilloscope and how the DDC based spectrum view is different compared to the math based scope FFT. Today we are using Tektronix 4 series MSO, which is having digital down converter built into it hardware, and I'm having a clock signal that is generated from the demo board. First I want to measure the frequency of the signal. I'm adding the automatic measurement which shows the frequency of the signal is around 98 megahertz. It's pretty easy to set it up. I just need to go to the channel settings and turn on the spectrum view. Now I got both the time and frequency domain view of my signal. Let's configure the spectrum by going to the spectrum view controls. Here I have all the settings that are similar to a spectrum analyzer, and I'm going to adjust my sender frequency to 98 megahertz, which I have measured, and adjusting my span so that I get a clear view of my signal. So now I set the span to 10 megahertz to see the spread spectral behavior of my clock. Now let's take a look at how we can do the same using math FFT. For that I am adding the math channel and adjusting the source to my current clock source, which is channel 2, and enabling the FFT. Here I'm adjusting the start and stop frequency of my FFT to match it to my spectrum view. Here's the interesting part. There are some factors that affect the FFT display, as it's driven by the same acquisition system used for the time domain view. Setting up FFT is a little bit difficult, as one must know how the scope setting is going to affect the frequency domain view. Here, in order to increase the resolution on my frequency domain, I need to increase my acquisition time. So here I am changing my time domain settings to acquire more duration of signal. I am able to increase the resolution in frequency domain. I am able to see the similar spectrum display as I got using the spectrum view. But the problem is, once I try to optimize my frequency domain display, I no longer have my time domain view of the signal. But spectrum view is clearly does not depend on the horizontal system, because it's having independent control from the time domain acquisition system of oscilloscope. To understand how the spectrum view works and how it is different from the FFT, you can check out the application note that I added in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more related videos.